Hello friends, I welcome you all to our channel. Our today's video topic is MATLAB. Okay, let's start with introduction of MATLAB. So MATLAB, the name MATLAB means it's a short form of Matrix Laboratory. So don't be confused in MATLAB and MATLAB. Okay, so in a simple word we can say MATLAB is nothing but a computing tool or a programming language which is used for simulation only. Okay, so simulation of different systems. If you are from engineering or a science background, you will easily understand what exactly the simulation means. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start with what exactly the MATLAB is. Okay, here you can see the user interface of MATLAB. So these are the different tabs are available here. You can change the tabs whatever you need to. Okay, here you will see the different tabs. The first one is the current directory, second is a command window, third one is a workspace, and last one is a command history. Okay, so here we can change the layout of our desktop. We can say it is a user interface. So select the all tabs. So you'll see the different tabs available over here: current directory, command window, command history, workspace, help, etc. Okay, so start with the help. So help is a tab where you can get the different study materials regarding the MATLAB, or any help that you need to start with the MATLAB. So this tab enables you to study MATLAB also, because you don't need to go anywhere to get the material to understand what exactly MATLAB is, to study MATLAB, how it is to be used. So everything you'll get under the tab of help. Okay, so in help you can see the different topics available. Okay, that this help tab will be helpful for you to understand what exactly the scope of MATLAB is. So here is another window, that is command window, where we can put the different commands, that is the instructions that we need to execute. Okay, so let's see this example. So I'm putting something here: a is equal to something, b is equal to something, and c is equal to something. So c is nothing but the instruction is add a and b and assign it to the c. Okay, so this is another command, that is imread cameraman.tf. This imread is used to read the image. So for MATLAB, image is nothing but this is a two-dimensional matrix. So you can see here imread. Okay, so you will see the different numbers. So this is nothing but elements of that matrix. So I'm putting another command here, which is im show. So here you'll see the image. This is a cameraman image. So whatever the instruction we put here, that is in the command window. Okay, so next tab is a command history. Here you'll get a different commands history that we have already used. Okay, so if you need to use these commands, then you can copy from here. And third one is an important tab, that is a workspace. So whatever you are putting in the command window or in a M file, basically M file is nothing but a file where you write your program, and you can save this program for your future use. Okay, like command window, we can create a program using MATLAB file. This is M file. For MATLAB it is called as M file. So here you can put instructions as per your need. So I'm putting here a is equal to imread cameraman.tf. This instruction is entered with the semicolon, and using imread command, the MATLAB will read the image, that is the name we have given here, that is cameraman.tif. TIF is an extension of that image. The second instruction is imshow. So if you want to show this image or display this image, we have to use this instruction. So I'm just giving some examples how we are how we are putting the commands in yum file. Okay, so you have to save this file somewhere in means in directory. You'll come to know the directory later on. So here put the name and save this file. Okay, so when you run this program, you will get the output as this is a figure 1, this is a cameraman's image. Okay, got it. So you can put the instructions in the command window or in yum file also. Okay, here you can open any yum file to run the program. Just select the program and just run here. Okay, you'll get the output. Okay, so next one is a okay, let's move ahead. I'll just change the layout of this desktop. So here you can change the layout. So I'm setting it to the default. So in the default layout, you'll see that these four different important tabs. One is current directory. This is a command window. This is command workspace. Sorry. So workspace is very important. So what is workspace? So workspace is in backend of your program or your instructions. So whatever you are executing in your M file or command window, you'll get the data in your workspace. Like we are seeing the file A. Okay, we are seeing the image A, that is cameraman.tif. From here also you can change the directory of your working. Okay, so I'm changing this. Remember friends, we are just seeing the introduction of MATLAB, how it looks like and all. Okay, next move ahead. So we will study the toolboxes. Here a start tab. Here you will get a different toolboxes available in that MATLAB. Remember this is a 2008 version, so that's why we may have some less number of toolboxes available here. In the earlier versions in 2011 or 13 you'll get more tabs. So in this toolboxes you'll see the different topics, the image acquisition, image pre-processing and all. So these are the different toolboxes available. Let's start with the image acquisition toolboxes just for introduction. So when we start image acquisition toolboxes, you'll see the available devices with your system. So as this is a laptop, so front camera is available, that's why it is showing this camera. So you can set all the parameters as per our need, so we can start acquiring our image. Okay, see how it is exactly working. So using the available devices connected to your system, so you can acquire the image or video also as per your need. So in the MATLAB, so we have different toolboxes as per our need. So as per our simulation needs, so we can use the different toolboxes. So for to know how to use the toolboxes, you can use the you can take a help of demos also. So number of demos are also available. Different study materials also available as already said in the help tab. So you can start. It is easy to use anybody. Okay. So let's see. I think this much is sufficient to understand the scope of MATLAB and all. So today we have studied what exactly the MATLAB is, why we are using MATLAB, where we can use this MATLAB, what are the things involved in the MATLAB user interface. This is just for introduction. There are again so many things are available to learn, understand what exactly MATLAB is, how strong this simulation software is. So in next videos we'll see how to use MATLAB for our different programs. So as of now, thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in next videos. Thank you so much.